All right, in this video, we're going to look at the settings section of Panda. So if you go to settings, the first one you're going to look at is brand. So here you can give your brand name and then tagline, the colors of your brand, and then the font that your brand uses, and then the voice, and then a logo file as well. Now, where is it used? If you are editing your videos using the agents, then the agent will look at your brand kit. And if a brand kit is available, then it creates the videos matching that brand. So if you don't set up a brand kit, it will create a video based on default brand patterns. The next one is integrations. Now, integrations is when the app needs third-party integrations. For example, in Panda, if you go to My Exports, you have the ability to create thumbnails. For thumbnail creation, we use Replicate for generating the thumbnails. The other place where we use Replicate is for generating AI voices. So if you go to the audio tab inside the editor, you can generate an AI voiceover using Eleven Labs, Gemini, or Minimax. And again, here we use Replicate for the voiceover. So if you are looking at those thumbnails and voiceovers, then you need to get yourself a Replicate account. So if you click the eye icon, you can see exactly what you need to do. Go to replicate.com, sign up for an account, top up your account with $5 to $10, create a token, and then paste the token here, and you should be good to go. The next section is AI providers. So if you look at Panda, it comes with an inbuilt agent editor. So we support OpenAI, which is ChatGPT, Moonshot, which is Kimi, and then Anthropic, Minimax, Google, OpenCode, and Olama Cloud. So if you want to edit your videos using the AI agents, so you can use this section to sign into your ChatGPT account. Or if you have a Kimi Code account, you can just paste your API keys. If you have a Minimax account, you can paste your API keys and so on. If you don't intend to use agent editing, you can totally skip this section. The next section is YouTube. So Panda allows you to connect to one or more YouTube accounts. So which basically allows you to publish directly to YouTube from Panda. For example, once you've generated your title, description, timestamps, and thumbnails, you can just simply hit publish and it will automatically get published to YouTube. Another benefit of YouTube is that if you go to the YouTube tab, you can see analytics, basic analytics of all your published. So basically, how are they performing, how many views they have, and you can also filter by channel as well, so that you know exactly how each of them are performing. So these are the reasons why you need to connect your YouTube accounts. The next thing is AI model. So Panda comes inbuilt with default local AI model. So this is the Qwen 3.5 2B open model that we use. You have to download it if you want to use the functionalities of generating the title automatically, description, timestamps, and the prompt for the thumbnail automatically. If you don't intend to use those functionalities, you can safely skip that. And this is possibly the place where we might introduce newer advanced models as they come through. The next section is workspaces. Depending on the plan, you may be allowed one or more workspaces, and workspaces allow you to easily manage multiple projects in the same account. The next section is automation, which is probably the most important feature of Panda, which allows you to edit Panda using AI agents. So here, enable automation, and then you can click install shell command and then install the agent skill. Now, every now and then, please do check this section and update your agent skill. We do keep publishing new skills, and then you can keep them updated. And then here you will see a list of all the agents that are available in your desktop, and then you can simply click connect so that it gets connected automatically, or it will give you instructions on how to connect your agents. So once they are connected, if you go to settings, for example, developer in Cloud Code, you can see that Panda Studio is a MCP server here, so which allows the agent automatically create videos programmatically. So next is transcription. So this is if you are using English and European languages, you can leave it at auto. But if you record your videos in Chinese, Japanese, Korean, Hindi, or Arabic, you can choose the specific language so that they get transcribed accurately. License is where you activate your license, and about section is where we actually tell about us. So, and then if you have any feedback at all, simply click send feedback so that we get the logs and your exact feedback directly from the app.